Want your product featured for Prime Day 2025? Here's exactly how to submit your deal. First, you're going to log into Amazon Seller Central and you're going to go to Advertising and then the Deals tab. You're going to click Create a New Deal. Once you're here, you should see your products and it should say Prime Day window. That's an eligible event. You're going to click Select. Once you're here, you're going to scroll all the way down and go to the Prime Day window and enroll it. It's going to be $500 to enroll it in the US. Once you're there, you're going to again scroll down and then give a discount, a deal price discount. And then in the top right corner, there's going to be this submit deal button. You're going to submit the deal and then it's going to be enrolled and running for Prime Day. If you do not see your listings here, what you're going to have to do is Amazon sent us an email and said that right now you can only enroll best deals and lightning deals. See right here, best deals and lightning deals. If you can't enroll it yet, you have to wait until May 5th and then you can enroll regular products. But right now, it's only best deals and lightning deals, but it's going to be the same exact process for your other products. You just have to wait until May 5th to enroll them into Amazon. And that's how to do it in today's video. What's the biggest challenge you face when preparing for Prime Day? Let's chat about it in the comments. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.